Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only.
Highway 288 south for 1 mile.
Driver in white pickup truck did late lane change, causing dashcam driver to hit him. He ran away without one tire.
I can't see what the problem is, so I'm slowing down. I don't know whether you can tell. Obviously everybody else isn't, and then this happens.
A distracted driver slammed into back of van that had to come a stop, as police activity ahead required the van to stop, resulting in rear-end collision.
Clear road up ahead, and we can't see it yet, but there's a broken down camper van a bit further ahead with a police car behind it, and that was the blue light I saw. But as you can see, the banking on the right is probably 2 or 3 foot high, so if you're in a car flying down lane 2, it's very difficult to see round a bend. So I'm just wondering whether the police have located the police car and put these cones out in the wrong place, because as far as I'm concerned, maybe the police car should have been at the
Try me, buddy. Driving. Shocking.
As van was overtaking, white car started pulling out, luckily narrowly avoiding accident. Driver of the car ahead loses control after he gets cut off by another vehicle. Unfortunate accident occurred when a driver forgot to check the mirrors before opening their door, leading to another car colliding with the open door.
Turn signal! Turn signal! Save video. Lock video.
Some drivers definitely deserve to have their driving licenses taken away.
Oh my God! Shut up! That's good. He's the worst driver, man. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh,
that was near. Oh, that's the problem. Very near.
Yeah, I'm taking my new truck. Yeah, but I'm not gonna take the Ram TRX. Have addiction though. Yo, on oh!
Friday night and Saturday night. Well, he must be a thick bastard.
Oh, it's all well and good saying thank you.
This driver got pushed off the highway by careless driver. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.